Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Taimoor Tech YouTube channel and today my topic is AWS versus Azure versus GCP. Which cloud platforms is right for your enterprise? So first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start my video. AWS versus Azure versus GCP. Which cloud platform is right for your enterprise? Many businesses nowadays are shifting towards cloud computing thanks to its plethora of benefits like scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. Cloud computing is the on demand delivery of services including servers, storage, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. The cloud computing landscape is dominated by three major players: AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud platforms, which make up a combined 66% of the cloud market share. In this blog, we will explore the comprehensive comparisons between AWS versus Azure versus GCP. It will provide you with an overview of each platforms, highlights the key differences between them along with their benefits and consideration. An overview of three big cloud platforms. Here is an overview of three big cloud platforms: AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and GCP Google Cloud Platform. Amazon Web Services (AWS). AWS is Amazon Cloud Computing Service, offering several services such as computing, storage, networking, databases, analytics, machine learning, and AI from startup to established organizations. Businesses of all sizes are leveraging this cloud platform. Originally, AWS started as a private cloud services for Amazon employees in 2006. It's become publicly accessible for business with offering like Amazon S3 cloud storage and Elastic Computing Cloud EC2 with Amazon Web Services has over 200 fully functional services to satisfy millions of users. With a market share of 31% of 2024, AWS has become a dominant player in the cloud computing platforms. Famous brand using AWS: Netflix, Coca-Cola, Airbnb, Coursera, Lyft. Microsoft Azure. Azure is Microsoft public cloud platform offering a wide range of services, infrastructures as a service SaaS platform, as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS for analytics, virtual computing, storage, and networking. It is not only Windows based services but also support open sources programming platforms and technologies enabling enterprise to create and maintain any software. Since its inception in 2010, Azure has established a cloud-based platforms with over 200 products and services. It's secured second positions in the cloud computing industry with 25% of a market share. Famous brand using Microsoft Azure: Starbucks, Electric, eBay, Samsung, Walmart. GCP, Google Cloud Platform. GCP is a subset of Google and youngest among the big three cloud service providers alongside AWS and Azure. Despite its later entry into a market, it's over a powerful suite of cloud services capable of running and supporting a wide range of applications. GCP operates with layers data centers and delivers DevOps friendly solutions. Since its launch in 2010, GCP has expanded to offer over 100 services including big data analytics, network, and computing solution. It also includes softwares, workspace, incorporates Android, Chrome OS, and more. As of 2024, GCP is the world's third largest cloud services provider, holding a 10% market share. famous brand using GCP, Twitter, Spotify, PayPal, the Home Depot, Unilever. AWS versus Azure versus GCP quick comparisons. Here is a table showing quick differences between AWS, Microsoft Azure and GCP. Choosing the best cloud platform for your enterprise, AWS versus Azure versus Google Cloud. AWS Amazon Web Services versus GCP Google Cloud Platform versus Azure. 3. The largest cloud providers can deliver future rich cloud infrastructures. Before selecting the right cloud platform for your enterprise, it's essential to understand AWS, Azure, and GCP comparisons to identify their capabilities. Let's have a look at some of the most important factors to consider when choosing the best cloud platform for your enterprise. Availability. Amazon Web Services was the first and remains the largest cloud platforms globally, offering a higher number of availability zones than its competitors. Currently, AWS offers over 24 availability zones worldwide. In comparison, Google's cloud has 24 availability regions with a total of 73 zones. Azure is a great alternative for widespread accessibility, boasting 60 plus regions available in more than 140 countries worldwide. Market share. As of May 2024, AWS holds a 31% market share. Microsoft Azure has 25% and Google Cloud Platform secures 9%. Services offered. The number of services offered is the key differences between the three cloud platforms, AWS versus Azure versus GCP. With several services available, these companies are suitable for a wide range of enterprises. Amazon Web Services offer more than 200 services. Microsoft Azure offer more than 200 services. Google Cloud offers more than 160 services. AWS offers various types of infrastructures as a services class such as database, storage, computing, content delivery, and networking. Other popular solutions are EC2, S3, and Lambda. Azure Virtual Machines, Blob Storage, Azure Function, Computations, Data Management. Networking and reliability are some of Azure's offerings. It provides robust hybrid cloud solutions, integrating seamlessly with Microsoft products. GCP offers notable services such as Compute Engine, BigQuery, and TensorFlow. Thanks to its cost effectiveness, privacy, traffic security, and payment configuration flexibility, Google Cloud is another excellent alternative. Here is a table outlining the differences between AWS versus Azure versus GCP based on specialized services, compute, storage, and networking. AWS Privacy Compute Services is its EC2 instances offering extensive customizations options. Additional compute solutions include AWS Lambda, EC2 Container Service, Elastic Beanstalk for application deployment, Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, and auto-scaling across all services. Azure's compute services revolve around its virtual machine. VMS supported by tools like Cloud Service and Azure's managers for seamless cloud applications deployments along with Azure's auto-scaling for performance optimizations. Google Cloud's compute engines delivery customizable virtual machines hosted in its data centers, features precious disk storage, high performance, and flexible configurations tailored to users' requirements. AWS storage solutions include Elastic Block Storage, EBS Simple Storage Service S3, Elastic File System EFS, Glacier for archival storage, import export for large data transfer and storage gateway, and seamless on premises integration. Azure provides comprehensive storage options with Azure's blob storage, along with Quate's table and file storage. Additional services include import, export, site recovery, and Azure's backup. Overall, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud's platform GCP offers a wide range of services, offers compute, database, storage, and networking domains. Let's performance and scalability. Another important factors of consider when choosing the right between AWS versus Azure versus GCP is performance and scalability. AWS offers unmatched scalability with services like auto scaling and elastic load balancing. Azure delivers high performance thoughts global data centers and hybrid cloud options. On the other hand, Google Cloud leverages its high-speed networks infrastructures and ensures consistent performance and scalability, especially for big data and AI application. GCP versus AWS versus Azure security and compliance. AWS, Azure, and GCP prioritize security with encryptions, identify management, and applications certification. Amazon Web Services lead with a broad security portfolio and global compliance standard. Microsoft Azure integrates security with Microsoft tools, while GCP emphasizes security by designs, offering strong data protections and privacy controls. Tools. Let's explore the key tools that AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud servers provides for businesses. Amazon Web Services (AWS) key tools. AWS offers a comprehensive suite for tools to support enterprises' growth. Cloud is an open source deep learning library that simplifies the process of creating neural networks, making AI accessible even for those without prior experience. Deep Lens. Deep Lens and AI enables camera, allowing businesses to implement machines learning algorithms, several tasks such as optical characters recognitions, image identification, and object recognitions. Another powerful AWS tool, SageMaker, helps enterprises to train employees and execute machine learning. It also involves Lex conversational interfaces used in Alexa, Green Glass, Load messaging, and Lambda serverless computing. In addition, Amazon Web Services provides CloudWatch for real-time monitoring and cloud formations and automations, enabling businesses to scale efficiently and securely. Microsoft Azure Keep Tools. Cognitive services are available in Microsoft Azure tools. Cognitive services are a set of powerful APIs such as a Bing Web Search API, Face API, Computers Visions API, and Service. It enables enterprises to integrate advanced AI capabilities like images recognitions, facial detections, and customer search functionality into their software. Azure also offers a wide range of load management analytics services along with a flexible serverless computing platforms for scalable applications development. Moreover, Azure seamlessly integrates with Microsoft on-premises software solutions like Windows Server backups in Windows Server 2012 R2 and Windows Server 2016 are directly connected to Azure's backup for secure data protection. Developers can also host Visual Studio projects on Azure's throughout Visual Studio Team services, streamlining collaborations and deployments. In addition, Azure provides tools like Azure Monitors for performance tracking and Azure DevOps for continuous integrations and delivery, CI/CD, ensuring smooth and efficient software developments. Google Cloud platforms, GCP key tools. Google Cloud has been at the forefront of bringing artificial intelligence advancement to enterprises. It includes several APIs for natural language processing and voice translation, along with TensorFlow, an open source software library to build AI/ML models. GCP also emphasized developers friendly tools such as cloud developments managers and cloud operations suites for seamless application management. However, load and serverless services are still in early stages of development. Pricings. When it's come to choosing the cloud providers, by considering the factors, you choose the right cloud platform that can meet your business objectives and drive growth. Thank you so much for watching my video.